Today, I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Piggy Pro phone stand. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Jeff from Everyday Tech Vids, where we take the mystery out of your cell phones, tablets, gadgets, gizmos, all the cool stuff you got running around. We'll get you straightforward answers to your straightforward tech questions. Also, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. Alright, so today I am reviewing the Piggy Pro phone stand. This thing is actually pretty cool. I'll show you kind of a little up front without getting too into the mirror here. See if I can get that. Yeah, the Piggy Pro. So it's this little metal piece right here. And then there's also a little flap that kind of folds down on it. So you can see it kind of folds down onto itself. So it's like a little clip on the back. Now, this thing is actually pretty cool. I can stand up my phone, which I actually do watch videos quite often on it. So having a little stand while I'm watching videos is actually really convenient. So you can kind of leave it, as you can see there, kind of like halfway propped, and then you just set the phone down and it's able to stand up on its own. It does have a little mirror on it, which I guess for like checking yourself out in the mirror and seeing, making sure your hair is looking good, that could be a benefit. I don't really use the mirror very much, but it seems to work, really well as a stand. So I've had it on here now for more than a month and it is stuck on there. It is not coming off easily. So I'd highly recommend only sticking this to say like your phone case. I wouldn't put it directly on the phone because it is gonna be pretty tough to get this thing off. Also too, I don't think this is what they intended for, so I might not recommend fully doing this. But when you leave it kind of, I don't know, kind of at like a, like less than a 45-degree angle, you can kind of get your finger in there and then hold it like that. So I've actually found myself using my phone and using it almost like other devices that are out there to hold it in place. I wouldn't say it's necessarily what it's for, because if you got twisted weird, you could kind of hurt your finger on it. But it does serve as kind of a makeshift phone holder too. So overall, I would say that the best people this would be for people that if you prop up your phone a lot. So if you're somebody that like maybe your phone sits on your desk almost all day and it's just sitting there and you respond on it or things like that, this could be a great addition for that. Or, if somebody wants a makeshift stand, but then also kind of a phone holder, this could be your guy. All right, so if you have any questions about the Piggy Pro, I'll leave a link to their website in the description box. Otherwise, do leave a comment below and I'll get back to you.